In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with using EveryDollar. Let's face it, managing money can feel overwhelming. Between bills, debt, savings goals, and unexpected expenses, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going. You may find yourself wondering why, after working so hard all month, there's still nothing left in your bank account. That's where EveryDollar comes in. EveryDollar is more than just a budgeting app. It's a simple, powerful tool designed to help you take complete control of your finances. Created by Ramsey Solutions, EveryDollar is based on the proven zero-based budgeting method, which means you plan where every single dollar of your income goes before the month even begins. It's about being intentional with your money, not just tracking it after the fact. Whether you're trying to pay off debt, save for a big goal, or simply live without financial stress, EveryDollar helps you create a clear plan, stick to it, and gain peace of mind knowing you're in charge of your money, not the other way around. To get started, head to the EveryDollar website and access the budgeting tool. Once you're there, the first thing to do is click on the income section. This is where you'll log all your sources of income. Be sure to include everything, your main paycheck, any side hustle income, freelance work, etc. Logging every bit of income will give you a clear picture of the money you have to plan with. Next, move on to listing your expenses. Start with giving, which includes any funds you allocate towards donations such as to your church, charities, or other causes. After that, direct your attention to savings. Establishing a budget for your emergency fund here is essential, as it ensures you're prepared for life's unexpected events. Then it's time to cover your 4 basic expenses: housing, transportation, food, and utilities. Begin with housing to allocate funds for mortgage or rent, and utilities like water, gas, electricity, and internet. After housing, focus on transportation. This includes budgeting for gas, maintenance, and any public transport costs. When it comes to food, this category may fluctuate, so be sure to include both grocery and dining out expenses. Remember to cover every necessity to keep your day-to-day life running smoothly. Now address other expenses like clothing, entertainment, health, and insurance. In the personal section, budget for clothing, cosmetics, phone bills, and subscriptions. Don't forget lifestyle expenses, which include pet care, childcare, and entertainment. For health-related costs, plan for gym memberships, medicine, and doctor visits. Lastly, under insurance, allocate funds for health, life, and auto insurance. And finally, tackle your debt payments. Budgeting isn't just about numbers. It's about freedom. Freedom from worry, debt, and the ability to make choices that reflect your values and goals. With EveryDollar, you'll not only gain a budgeting tool, but clarity, confidence, and control over your future. Whether you're starting fresh or refining your habits, EveryDollar empowers you to take that crucial first step. Create your budget, set your goals, and live with purpose, $1 at a time. When you tell your money where to go, you'll finally see where your life can go too.